Here, what's up? This is Jack Vu, Jack Trades ICT. This morning just blew my Apex funded or not funded Apex Eval, which was so like some pretty dumb trades this morning. So this morning tried the long right here off this inverse, targeting this trendline liquidity, but obviously got stopped. So that was a bad trade. And then I did long here. My internet went out, which was stupid, and then my TP hit, but I couldn't move my TP up here because my final TP would have been above this trend line liquidity up here. And then when I got in here, I tried to. It was just silly. I didn't have any entry model. I just tried to long off this momentum candle, which I thought was momentum, but it wicked down at me. So it's just not a. It was just dumb, and it wasn't even at this. The SIBI or the SPICY or anything like that. It was just a bad, there's no model to enter, so I was just dumb entry. And then I moved my stop down here, got stopped out, and then I saw these equal highs, and I knew we were going to hit these equal highs, but I got chopped around in here and then basically lost my funded account, or not funded, lost my eval account there, which was just really dumb. I should have sized down. I kept sizing in. Yeah, it was terrible risk management. I was already down like 2,500, so I was like, screw it. I'll just put another contract on, see if I can get it up, and so I lost it. So thankfully, it's only like $50 to reset it. So I did that on my eval account, just my practice swing account. This is my practice swing account. I souped. I went short and souped. Souped here. Where's my entries? So I souped. Oh, here we go. So I did a soup here because I saw this, seeing this 1 hour bearish breaker and this 1 hour order block right here, and so I got an entry. It was in around 9:21 Eastern Standard Time. So around here, when we swept. I think we swept something. Oh yes, we swept these highs right here. See here. I think I got in around here. I think. Oh, when did we sweep these? Which highs were these? This is 325. I think it was these highs. Anyways, so I went in short 2 contracts here at 1827. What is that? 1827. Let me just see what was I looking at? 27. So I think right here when we swept these highs, or maybe it was these highs when we made these equal highs, but didn't leave this yet. That's when I got in short, and then I got another contract once we swept these equal highs up here. And so far it's working out really well. I sold one here. Didn't I sell 1 or 2? I thought it was 2 contracts. Yeah, I'm in 3. So I sold 2 here, sold 1 here, and my target will be probably like we're delivering off this daily BISI, so probably just 50% of this hourly dealing range here. So if I move this, we're basically at 50% of this hourly dealing range. So I need to see this hourly inverse to really be more bearish. And so I could take like one off right now, lock in some profits, but I'm really trying to learn how to swing and hold these longer. So I think I'll just hold it longer. And another ideal entry would be this rejection of this new week opening gap up here. So this is a big BPR right here, so probably get a lot of support. It looks like we just came up. So 15, I need to see the 15-minute inverse. It's a big 15-minute busy right here. That needs to be inversed in order for me to be like really bearish. Probably should take a partial right there because we're at 50%. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So if I was trading it live, I would take a partial. I'll say buy 1 here,
Order working.
And I'll just take it at this swing low here.
Order filled.
Just to take one off. And then I'll put, so locked in some profits of, and then my seconds, I mean, if we inverse this 15-minute, I'm going to put my break or my stop at, let's do 2. Let's do buy stop
Order
up here.
working.
Let's just move it to break even. I don't think we're going back up here, but we might. This is probably how I would normally manage my trade. Then look at that, we're dropping. Anyway, so if this 15 minutes inverses, then I'll know we're for sure going bearish and either digging into the C of this BISI and getting to the 4-hour 50% level, which I think is where we're headed. On the 4-hour chart, we're probably going to head down here, and then we'll see what the reaction is in this area of this, right below the CE of this BISI, daily BISI. Ultimately, I think we're heading down here to previous week low. Got a lot of, I mean, right here is probably the first target, so this would be my second target here. All the sell side right here, so what is that? That's taking out all of Asia's range. 18,227. And it's a huge swing. Let's see if we even get there. So let's do one. Let's do one here. Buy limit.
Order working.
And then buy limit down here.
Order working.
Let's take a partial off at that swing low. And then 227. Let's see if we can hit that as our final TP. So that's what this swing looks like. Let's put this on a 15-minute and see what that looks like. If we blow through this CE here, yeah, we'll just see how that looks. My demo turtle soup. In real life, it'd be really hard to hold this long on this futures contract, but it looks like I might just get stopped for break even because we're coming back up. All this trendline liquidity coming back up. Yeah, I mean that's coming off this BISI. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But anyway, and then my Topstep, this is when I lost that. I should have taken profits when I was up 2,700 bucks here. I should have cashed out on half that, which I was able to. But then I decided not to, and then I lost this account, unfortunately. So anyways, that's an update on Topstep and Apex. I'm liking Apex better just because, so I got a reset. It was only $50 to reset it, thankfully. Reset it, but I like Apex because I could do like, 10 micros if I really wanted to reduce my risk. Instead of trading the minis, I could do the micros. So that's what I'll be doing, and implementing a lot better risk management and only entering trades on a model, not just on what I think is quote unquote momentum, and then I get wicked out in a terrible entry. So good learning lessons, and that's the update for now.